Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today, Solvetic will explain a very simple method to translate your PDF files into any language without using programs. To start, you will open a browser and search for the word Doc Translator. For this example, we are going to click on the first option, of which we will leave the link in the description of the video. In the website window, you will click on the option called Translator, or in the central part, you will directly click on Upload File. You will locate and select the PDF you want to translate. Once you select it, you will click on Open. The website we have selected will analyze the size of this PDF file to determine the translation time. At the bottom, the language of the PDF will automatically be detected, and you can choose between one of the more than 100 languages to use. After the language has been selected, you will click on the Translate button. The translation process will start, which shows us the number of words that will be translated. Your PDF file has been translated. To see it in the new language, you will click on the line, Download your translated document. You will need to choose where it will be stored. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, we will check that the translation has been done correctly. Open both PDFs, both the original in the language that is currently and the PDF that has been translated. So you can see that it has worked as expected. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.